Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your Cricket call history online. It's very easy and simple, guys. First, you open up your browser, go to cricketwireless.com, click on sign in and enter your Cricket phone number and password. Then, once you're logged in, click on account summary. Then you just select usage details or call history, and you'll see a list of your recent incoming and outgoing calls, texts, and data usage. And guys, if you need a copy, you just look for the option to download or print the call history. Now, some records may only be available for the last 90 days, okay? And another way, guys, you can use is to check through Cricket support, right? So if you can't find the records online, contact Cricket customer support, dial 611, okay, from your Cricket phone, or you can visit a Cricket store, guys. And just remember, Cricket does not provide detailed call logs such as call duration or exact timestamps, but they can confirm the call activity. Well, otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.